Hey, so today I'm going to be talking about how I moisturize my braids and cornrows, anything. Like I would do this under wigs, all of that. So how I maintain my protective styles and maintain the moisture in my hair. So I have 4C low porosity hair, and I did basically a big chop last April. My hair has really grown. I'll put in some pictures so you can like see the difference. It's awesome. Like one tip I have is if you feel like your hair isn't growing, take pictures, because it definitely is. It's just like the question of whether you're retaining that length or not. Anywho, so there are 4 products I use either every day or every other day to moisturize my hair, help calm down the itching, and all of that stuff. I use a braid spray, which is basically like my leave-in. I use an oil, and I use grease. It's a controversial topic. I use grease. It's controversial because a lot of naturals don't use grease. I don't know, when we go natural we have to stop using grease. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me, so I picked up some grease. And for edge control, I showed this in my last video. I will say the formulation of this batch that I have is not the same as when I first started using it. I have to set it with the Got2b freeze spray. I don't know this lasts anytime. It needs to be bomb. But she also has a product, it's called Goo, the Bomb Goo or something like that. I'll try to put a picture in if I remember. But that's much better. It makes your hair last for a week at least until you wash it. So what I do is I usually just take the tops off of all my products. Usually start with one side and then do the other. So and then I do the same to the other side. And it's basically like doing the LOC method, like this. And it says it has conditioner in it, so your leave-in conditioner, and then your oil and your cream. So it's just with different products. And then after I go in with each product, I massage it in. Then with the grease, I do it like how your parents used to probably. And take a glob down the 4 major sections and then put the residue on the rest of the parts. I will say I don't put the grease on my hair every day. I've been doing that like every other day or every 2 days. But I do these 2 every day. And if I was going to bed, then I would add my edge control. But since I'm not about to, I'm gonna just let it hang a little bit. So yep, that's it. Real simple. I don't have the patience for complicated routines, so that's what I do. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. I got more coming. Gotta stay tuned. Bye.